picking up.
The clouds, certainly cloudy this afternoon for many of us, with some patchy rain as well, especially towards the southeast of England, East Anglia. Thicker cloud moving in here through the afternoon, quite a brisk northeasterly wind, making it feel rather miserable. A few spits and spots of rain and drizzle too, affecting eastern shores of England further north. A little bit of brightness further west. Looking across Scotland, the Northern Isles and northwest Scotland also cloudy with some light rain around, but in between some sunshine for the bulk of Scotland and Northern Ireland, making up for the very cold, frosty start that we had here. And finally, we've cleared away the fog too. So some sunshine is on offer today, and western parts certainly faring best. Parts of Wales and the southwest of England too, also a little bit brighter and breezier, although you'll notice just a few showers there working through the English Channel, maybe even getting in towards, say, parts of Somerset as well, as the cloud starts to spill its way further west through the rest of the afternoon. And it will continue to do so overnight tonight for much of England and Wales. Then it's cloudy, damp and drizzly weather with some hill fog, staying cloudy too across the far north of Scotland, northern parts of Northern Ireland. In between, though, we do have some clearer spells, and that's where temperatures will be dropping down to, say, -3 in parts of Aberdeenshire, so a touch of frost and fog across some northern parts, otherwise staying mild, +10 the low in the London area. So a rather grey start for many of us as we head into tomorrow, and it stays that way for the bulk of the country. I think more cloud in general too for parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland. Glimmer of brightness for the Highlands perhaps, the Shetland Isles, and later in the afternoon some sunshine breaking through along the south coast of England, but for the Midlands, parts of northeast England, parts of East Wales staying pretty wet. Now the rest of the week, the gloomy weather will continue, so we hold on to the cloud, and with the winds tending to come from an easterly direction, that means eastern areas more likely to see the cloud and at times some patchy rain as well. Wednesday, I think the best place to see any brightness will be across parts of the southwest of England, West Wales, western parts of Scotland. Otherwise, yes, there is a lot of cloud around. Temperatures around, say, 10 to 13 Celsius, so about average, if not actually a little bit above, but not feeling great when you're stuck under the cloud. Again, on Thursday, it's our western towns and cities are more likely to see some drier and brighter spells of weather.